Alright, so this is a gun we're hunting with in today's video. This is a Crosman 760, and I put one of my cheap Gammo scopes on it. So let's go sign the gun, and I'm going to show you more specs about it. Alright, here's what the gun looks like. Just basically cheap plastic on the whole thing, except like the barrel, and whatever, iron sights. And here's the scope I got on it. Honestly, it's not that good of a scope, but there's that. It's 10 pump. If you don't know that, you pump this thing right here 10 times. Here's the trigger. One stage, but it's kind of long. This one can shoot both BBs and pellets. You can load like 1,000 BBs inside of here. It's kind of crazy. Here's a safety. It's just a little button you push next to the trigger guard. Alright, got the target set up right here, about 15 yards from where I'm shooting. And I'm going to take a 5-shot grouping and I'll see how it does. I'm going to be using Crosman Premier 7.9 grain. Alright, just put 5 shots in the grouping, so let's go check them. Only 2 of them are on the target, so it looks like one right here. Oh, that's a pellet. Ew, what? There's like water coming out of the tree, that's cool. And this one, something skimmed right here. That's not good. I'm gonna sight this in up so it's dialed in, and then I'll take another grouping. Alright, let's get this gun sighted in and take some groupings with it. Alright, that took like an hour just to get the gun sighted in. I got sighted in good enough so we can take a good grouping on the target. So let's go check the grouping. Alright, that's actually not terrible, especially for a little pump 177. 2 went right there, 1-1. That's probably like an 1.5 inch, 2 inch grouping right there. It's not bad. That's good enough to kill a squirrel. I'm just gonna make sure I bring it right one, and we should be good. Right one click, and we should be good, ready to take it hunting. It takes like 10 seconds just to pump it up, and then you still have to reload it. It takes forever compared to a brake barrel. Compared to my brake barrel, that takes a long time. Alright, so now here I'm gonna do some evening squirrel hunting with the gun. My friend's over here practicing warming up with a slingshot. He's gonna take a slingshot, I'm gonna take this, and we're gonna see if we can get a squirrel.
Right under it. I've got to get a hit for you guys. Get up! Okay, I quit.
I just saw his tail moving. I don't know. You see him? Nice, you see him? Somewhere in these trees, somewhere. It's just a matter of finding. I think that squirrel got away. My Crocs broke in the process. There's 2 about to get in range. Try and let it get a little bit closer. Probably somewhere, because they've been eating our bird feed. I'll let them get a little bit closer, then I'll take a shot at one. stuff out of the tree. As you can't see him. He's on the ground right there now. I'm about to take the shot. Dropped him right there at the spot. Oh my goodness, I just dropped a squirrel with the Crossfin 760. Let's go get him. I've spent like 5 hours trying to get a squirrel to stay still for me. And so I decided to sit in a hunting blind. I've been sitting here for like 30 minutes today, sat in here for like an hour yesterday. And I finally got a shot of the squirrel. Another tree way up there, another squirrel up there in the tree, but I could get him. We'll leave him for another video. Let's go get our squirrel though. Make sure he's dead, yep. Let's see, I was aiming. Yeah, right where I was aiming, right there. And see if we have an exit. Surprisingly, no. What's that in his mouth? Oh, that's probably, that's chewing an acorn or something. His tail is like kind of messed up. I don't know, there's no like pointy part, it's just this little like 4-inch piece of it. I think we overcooked it, and there's still tons of hairs all over it. Well, I'm gonna dig in, hopefully it tastes good. Yeah, it's really tough. My goodness. Normally it just flakes off the bone when I cook it, but never done it this way. It's supposed to make it fall off the bone even more. I think, yeah, it's definitely overcooked. Alright, trying the first bite. That's the chewiest squirrel I've ever had. Yeah, I definitely overcooked it a lot. Tastes fine though.
So
my brother's gonna try a little piece.
So, I want a bigger piece.
Yummy.
I want a bigger piece.
I'm gonna finish eating this. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. Oh, goodness, this is chewy.